Hello guys and welcome to my channel. Today, I will show you how you can scale your business by selling 3D printed products of your designs. A lot of people online talk about the print-on-demand business model, but almost none of them talk about this specific website and what you can achieve with it. The website I'm talking about is called Shapeways. Shapeways is a 3D printing company, where you can design 3D models and print them on different products like rings, necklaces, ornaments, etc. But what's really interesting about Shapeways are the e-commerce integrations they offer to sellers. You can sell your designs in 4 different ways. You can connect your Shapeways account to an Etsy store, and have Shapeways fulfill your orders whenever you make a sale, similar to how Printful and Etsy works. You can also connect your Shapeways account to a Shopify store, and start selling that way. Or if you prefer, you can access their API and start selling on your own website. The last way you can sell is by directly listing your work on their marketplace, and selling on their website. The advantage of this method is that it's gonna be free, as you won't need to pay each time you get a sale. Now that you know how to sell your work on Shapeways, let's talk about how you can design products to sell even if you are not a professional 3D designer. What you can do is hover on your profile picture, and click on 3D designing apps. Then, you will find a lot of ways to create 3D models, even if you are not a professional designer. Keep in mind that some of the apps they show on this page are external services offering to sell 3D printed designs to you. So you need to check them all to find what you need. For example, I will show you this one, where you can design a 3D design from a 2D image. All you need is a 2D image and Shapeways will change it into a 3D design. Then, you can either buy it yourself if you want to test how it looks, or you can download it, and then upload it to your account. If you want more videos about 3D print on demand, and even how to find professionals who will create those models for you, make sure to leave a comment down below, and I'll make a video about it if enough people show interest. If you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, and subscribe for any future videos like this. Thanks for watching.